because he's not plugged in. Trick or treat.
Look at this guy, Mommy.
Wow. Let's see how you do it.
Okay.
You know how to bring it. Stand right there. Turn around.
Mom, can you find it?
No, you do it. You do it. I want to see how you do it.
Come on.
Come on, I want to see you do it. Hi, Dora.
Hi, Dora.
What do you say? What do you say?
You look so cute. Who are you?
Did you?
Batman.
Oh my God, you look wonderful.
Yeah.
Yeah. I can't believe you look so good.
Yeah, we just seen that in the TV and then we watched Batman.
That's right.
Yeah.
Did you say thank you?
Thank you.
You're well.
Let's see. Can you do Dracula for me?
I don't know what Dracula is.
This. That's what you showed me at Grandma's. Remember where you lift your eyebrows up? Remember?
No, like that. Remember that little guy? Like, he's doing this.
They're scary faces they're making. So scary. You're scary, John. Alright, happy Halloween. You say happy Halloween? Ah. Okay, let me see you do. There's Frankenstein. Where's Johnny? Let me see the same face from you. No, I have to see you do that face. Are you going to show me? Are you doing it?
Here, I'll hold this here. Like
Okay,
this.
now you do that face.
You do it.
That's Frankenstein face?
Let me see the mouth.
I need to do this thing, like this.
That's Frankenstein?
Like, I'm being, like, I'm being mad like that.
Oh, you're being mad. I see.
What about your mouth, like?
Good.
No. Like, I can do it, like, in the next one.
Okay.
Okay, that one's done.
What is that? Is that a scary Halloween face? Is it a vampire? Dracula?
Give me a good one.
How about when
Snap
you
it.
do this one? I'm recording him. Do this one. Remember? That's the only scary Halloween face you have? Remember the one you did like Grandma's monster? Do the one like Grandma's monster.
How about Frankenstein? I want to go with his mouth. How's he do it? With his mouth?
Wait, let's go get Frankenstein.